Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button to your Squarespace website. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows your visitors to contact you instantly with just one tap, especially when they're browsing on mobile devices. Let's get this set up. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your sites and projects. Now, from your dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the click to call button. This will open up the site overview page where you can manage all aspects of your website, from design to settings. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on it and then click the Edit button to enter the site editor. This is where the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your site's layout and content. Now we need to select the specific section where you want your click to call button to appear. This could be in your header, footer, or anywhere within your page content where it makes sense for visitors to reach you quickly. Once you've decided on the section, click Add Block. This opens up Squarespace's block library, which contains all the different types of content you can add to your site. From the block options, click Button. This will insert a new button block into your selected section. You'll see it appear immediately on your page, ready to be customized. Now click the pencil icon on the button block to start editing its properties. First, let's rename the button to something meaningful like Call Us. This makes it crystal clear to your visitors what will happen when they click it. The button text should be direct and action-oriented. Next, click Attach Link to connect your button to an action. You'll see a field labeled URL. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu with various link types. From this menu, select Phone. This is the option that transforms your button into a click to call feature. Now it's time to insert your phone number. Type it in the field that appears, making sure it's formatted correctly. You'll also notice that Squarespace gives you options between call or text, so click whichever option best suits your needs. If you want people to call you directly, choose Call. If you'd prefer they send a text message first, select Text. After you've made your selection and entered all the details, click Save. This locks in all your settings and activates the button. Your click to call button is now live and functional, ready to help visitors connect with you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.